Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, The Life Science Educator. Yesterday we have discussed about some topics of class 11 first chapter, The Living World. So today let us continue with some other topics of the same chapter, The Living World. So what is meant by biodiversity? Bio means life and diversity means different types or varieties. So the biodiversity means the variety and variability of life on earth is called as biodiversity. And there are about 1.7 to 1.8 million species present on this earth are known. So what is nomenclature? The devising or choosing of names for things, especially in a science or other discipline, is called as nomenclature. So nomenclature is nothing but naming a particular organism with a specific name so that there is no confusion among organisms is called as nomenclature. And what is identification? The practical side of taxonomy, the process of determining a particular organism belongs to a recognized taxon is called as identification. Taxon is a group of organisms classified together based on certain characteristics is called as taxon. So the nomenclature is based on identification and characteristics of an organism. Thus nomenclature is providing a scientific name to an identified organism is called as nomenclature. And for plants, scientific names are based on ICBN, that is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, which was later replaced by ICN, that is International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi and plants. And for animals, the scientific names are based on ICZN, that is International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. So now let us discuss about binomial nomenclature. So binomial nomenclature is the naming system uses a two-word format, and here the first term indicates the genus and the second term indicates the species of the organism. Example, Mangifera indica. So this is the scientific name of mango. Here the first term Mangifera indicates the genus and the second term indica indicates the species name. And this binomial nomenclature, this was first given by Carolus Linnaeus and he was known as the father of taxonomy. Now let us understand the rules for nomenclature. So the first rule is that the biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. They are Latinized or derived from Latin irrespective of their origin. So the first word in a biological name represents the genus, while the second component denotes the specific epithet or species. And the third rule is that both words in a biological name, when handwritten, are separately underlined or printed in italics to indicate their Latin origin. And the first word denoting the genus starts with a capital letter while the specific epithet starts with a small letter. Here you can see the example of Mangifera indica, that the first name genus starting with a capital letter and the second name indica is starting with a small letter. And here the two names are underlined indicating that they are derived from Latin. I hope you have understood about nomenclature, classification and binomial nomenclature. In the next video, we will discuss about some other topics of the chapter The Living World. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.